welcome back to our channel. Get ready to dive into the ultimate girls adventure. Join us to a trip here at Bass Lake, where we'll be reeling in the big ones, explore the underwater world and make waves of memories. So come on and enjoy! So guys, we quickly offloaded the rubber duck and put it in the water. So let's pack the rubber duck with our snorkel gear, fishing rods and cooler box. It's about 8:50 at the moment. 8:51. We are off to do some fishing and snorkeling. So there will be some snippets of what I see underwater. My sister will be catching the big bass. Sharp, enjoy the snorkeling. Hope you see the big bass, bro. While my sister was in the water busy snorkeling, I caught the first bass for the day. Unfortunately it was small, but still put up a good fight. I think we're going to grab something to eat and something to drink, and then we will see you on the water again, guys. The water is lekker, not too warm, not too cold, so yeah, come with us. Yay! We're going to start a fire now. We're very hungry after all this snorkeling, fishing and swimming. We caught some nice bass underwater with the GoPro on the camera. Nice big ones, small ones, beautiful ones. Yeah, so we're gonna make a fire. We'll show you guys the fire. Then we're just gonna try something small just to get something else done. No, it's too hot. Let's take it out. think it's a big one, eh? Come on, bring him. Oh, shit, man. We had a great day of snorkeling. Overall it was an amazing day. Unfortunately the fishing wasn't that good. We lost a big one, which felt like a big one. But everything else, the diving, the swimming, the snorkeling was so much fun. It was an experience to see everything, like the underwater world. It's like something you can't imagine. We saw a whole school of Kerpers and everything. It was just great.
So yeah, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.